guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my technique on how I detangle my hair and have barely any breakage. I'm just going to be using a wide tooth comb and mainly water. So first I'm going to start by separating my hair. So as you can see, my hair is ready to be washed. It is all tangled up. It's not soft anymore. It just needs some TLC and some moisture. Okay, so I'm just gonna be doing this part right here. And it's more tangled down at the ends. Actually, to give you guys a better view, I'm gonna be doing half of my head. So it's more tangled up. That way I don't want you guys to. So in the back of my hair is the most my hands are not going through it at all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna wet my hair and then I'm gonna show you the techniques. And also, I wanted to point out the reason why I detangle my hair in the shower with no product and only water is because while my hair is getting re-wet, the products that were in it before are activating it again and basically softening up my hair for me. So I just go ahead and do that whole process in the shower. And all I do is add water. I don't really add any conditioner. I thought I wasn't gonna have that much moisture right now just because it's not as much water as I would in the shower, but my hair actually is feeling a little bit softer, so maybe I can do this process without adding the conditioner. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is just show you how tangled my hair is. It's not really going anywhere. So I know some of the techniques are to actually go from the bottom and comb up, but I discovered this other technique that's actually a little bit better for me. I don't know if you guys want to try it and see if it's better for you. But this technique, you can actually start from the root and go down. So the only thing that you do is you angle the comb this way. You don't actually stab your hair with it, you angle it up. And then you just like comb down. And you're also holding your hair at the bottom taut, and you're just like lightly going over it. So what you're doing is that how the same technique when you go from the bottom to the top, this way you're actually digging through all the hair. But for this way, you're actually going through each layer of hair and you're not really tugging away at anything from the top part of your head. I don't know if that's making any sense, but just watch. So you're just, so you see how it's like not even going through. So I'm like just like barely piercing the hair, and then once you reach to the bottom, then you just like let it go. So what this is basically doing is just pushing all the knots down to the bottom of your hair, and then you just like push them out to the ends that way. So then look at this. The knots are pushing down to the ends of the hair. So now look at that. It is actually stabbing straight through the hair and then going down to the bottom. So now I can go all the way out and the hair is detangled. So you don't need a detangling brush to actually properly detangle your hair. And just this much came out. It's not even that much compared to how much usually comes out of my hair. So just like go each layer Trying to come in. Kisa. Hey. Hey. Okay. I'll let you in. You're here. Okay. Alright. Okay. You happy now? Okay. Alright, guys. So that's basically it. So it's way easier when you're actually in the shower and the water is constantly running through your hair, because what the water is doing is pushing all the hair down. So the way when I'm showing you this way, it's actually just a little bit more hair is coming out because the hair is more dry. But I'm not putting it all the way through. And then you can feel your hair just softening up. And then when you're doing the bottom, what you want to do also is hold the top part of your hair tight so that it doesn't tug from the roots. Hey guys, so I also wanted to point out that I always first detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb before shampooing, because it doesn't clump my curls together as much, which I think is better for washing. And then I use the detangling brush to clump my curls together when I condition my hair. So now my hair is fully detangled, and a little bit more hair did come out, like I said, because I'm not in the shower and the water is not constantly running through it to force my hair to go down. But this is the only amount of hair that came out, which I don't think is that much at all. So now what I'm going to do is compare it to the detangling brush. And I just want to see how much is going to come out compared to the combing technique. It's a little bit harder to get like every strand of hair. The comb took out way more hair than before, like I said, so. And then the detangling brush is it is faster than the comb. But when I'm in the shower, it's actually faster with the comb. So I do the comb first, and then I wash my hair, and then I use a detangling brush to detangle with the conditioner. Ooh, this is cute. It's actually a good way to rejuvenate your curls, to do something different maybe too. You just wet your hair, all the products will do their work again. And this is from the detangling brush. So let's just compare. So if you can see, if it's focusing, this is actually from the detangling brush, and this is from, I don't know if you can see. So this is a detangling brush and this is from the comb. I say the detangling brush actually has more hair coming out of it. So the detangling brush is actually more hair coming out, I think. They're pretty close, but compared to like the wide tooth comb, this video is not to say that the comb is any better than a detangling brush. I love all my detangling brushes. I mean, you can see the definition of what it did to my hair when I detangled it. And it is a little bit faster. I mean, it's great. But that was outside of the water. Like I said, when you're under the shower, it goes super fast with the wide tooth comb. So I'm just saying, for those of you that don't have the detangling brush, you can use this technique to have less breakage using the wide tooth comb as well. So this video is great for tips and tricks on how to use what you have if you don't have the latest product, which is the detangling brush. If you just have the wide tooth comb, which is just like a few dollars in any store basically, you can still have not the same curl results, because the detangling brush actually gives out way better curls. But as far as detangling goes, try this method out and it goes a long way on how you can detangle your hair. Super fast, super easy, less breakage, and yeah. So try it out. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think and how you guys like this video. If you guys are gonna try it out, let me know what your results are if you do comparing, if you want to compare the two. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and also share this video if you have someone that only has a wide tooth comb that doesn't have a detangling brush and want to know how to better clear out or detangle your hair with less breakage. Alright, so thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Bye!